Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your marketing skills with Udemy, complete guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on the Udemy website if you don't already have one. Visit the Udemy homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email, a password, and any necessary personal information. Once registered, log in to your account. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find marketing courses. You can enter keywords like digital marketing, social media marketing, or SEO. Take note of the filters available on the left side of the page. These filters allow you to refine your search by categories, ratings, and price. Browse through the course listings to find the ones that interest. Pay close attention to the course descriptions, objectives, look at the ratings and reviews from other students to gauge course quality. Consider the instructor's background and experience in the field of marketing. Once you find a course that suits your needs, click on the course title for more details. Review the curriculum to understand what topics will be covered. Check the duration of the course and how many hours of content are included. Look for any additional resources like quizzes, assignments, or projects. When you're ready, click the Buy Now button to purchase the course. After your purchase, you can access the course from your Udemy dashboard. Start watching the video lectures at your own pace. Take notes as you go to reinforce your learning. Engage with any quizzes or assignments to test your understanding. Utilize the Q&A section to ask the instructor questions if needed. Connect with fellow students through the course discussion boards. Consider completing multiple courses to broaden your skills. Apply what you've learned in real-world marketing scenarios. Keep revisiting the material for reinforcement. Stay updated on new marketing trends and courses by logging into Udemy regularly. That's how you can effectively upgrade your marketing skills with Udemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.